Xiaomi has officially unveiled the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Pro following the launch of Xiaomi 15. We have already covered the Xiaomi 15 in our previous video. Please go and check it out if you haven't. This flagship model is packed with the advanced features and debuts with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Xiaomi 15 Pro and its features. Starting with the design. The display. The Xiaomi 15 Pro has a stunning 6.73-inch 2K OLED curved screen with a resolution of 3200 by 1440. The screen uses TCL CSOT M9 luminous material, which makes it more powerful efficient than the Xiaomi 14 Pro by 24%. It supports adaptive refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz, keeping it smooth for any type of content. With an impressive peak brightness of 3200 nits and the strong Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0, the screen is not only bright but also durable. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Pro runs on the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with a second generation Oryon CPU that offers a 45% boost in performance and 44% energy efficiency than its predecessor. For fast multitasking and data transfer, it is equipped with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Plus, it has a large cooling system to keep it from overheating, while the new hyper-core microarchitecture ensures the smooth performance. This phone operates on Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 2, which optimizes user experience and extends battery life. It integrates smoothly with other Xiaomi devices, adding more versatility to your Xiaomi ecosystem. Moving on to the most exciting part, the camera. The Xiaomi 15 Pro features a Leica-powered triple camera system. The main camera is 50 megapixel sensor with great low light performance. There is also a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom and 10x lossless zoom, perfect for capturing details from a distance. There is also a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom and 10x lossless zoom, perfect for capturing details from a distance. You can also zoom up to 20x with ultra zoom. And for selfies, 32 megapixel front camera that promises high quality photos every time. It's also the first Android phone to support sharing dynamic photos similar to live photos on the iPhone directly into your platforms like Weibo, adding a creative touch to your photos. The battery. The battery is powerful. It has a 6100 mAh capacity with advanced tech that keeps it efficient even after many charging cycles. It supports 90 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging, and Xiaomi's Surge P3 and G1 chip help extend the battery life even more. Other cool features includes the satellite connectivity with a range of up to 3.5 km for offline communication, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and the device is IP68 water and dust resistant. Plus, it got stereo speakers, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, even an infrared remote control feature. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is available in spruce green, rock grey, and white with a special bright silver edition. It starts around $740 for the 12GB variant, and the top tier with 16GB and 1TB variant is priced at $900. Pre-orders are open in China and the official sales start on October 31st. So that's the new Xiaomi 15 Pro. With its premium features and cutting edge spec, it's definitely a phone to keep eye on. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, I catch you in the next one.